I done raised this hell. I've been the last one standing when all the giants fell. I won't shiver, I won't shake. I'm made of stone, I don't break. Start me up, open my eyes, turn me loose and you'll see why. I was born ready. I was born ready. Staring at the pressure now, I won't quit, not backing down. I was born ready. I was born ready. I am the unknown fighter, a dark horse coming for you. I'm gonna push up higher. I'm gonna do what I won't shiver, I won't shake. I'm made of stone, I don't break. The day that I met you, the world had just spit me out. On my
May
way
party
to
sa company
Dubai.
namin sa NetSuite
Sure, I
noong
never
2015, December 2015.
Actually,
saw me for me.
sinama lang ako ni Ate Jess sa party nila sa NetSuite. Ngayon, nagsimula pa lang ako yung mag-work sa Manila. So, parang medyo nahihiya-hiya pa ako sumama sa mga party. Siyempre, mga ka-office mate niya yung mga kasama. So, sabi ko kay Ate Jess, Ate Jess, ayoko. Nahiya ako kasi mga ka-office mate. Pero, pinilit niya rin ako. So, sumama ako.
Then, performer ako under the group of Miss Jess, si Ate Jess. Tapos,
Sa seat pitch nila, lahat sila may kasama mga partners. So, kami lang yung wala.
so si Christy, at that time, parang nagpa-picture siya sa akin kagad. Parang as if partner ko siya that night, pero hindi talaga.
And after that, ayun, na-love at first sight siya sa akin.
Until I had met you, there's no sun in my sky.
Si Christy, pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanya, hindi madamot, yun. Mabait. Siyempre maganda, no? Pero doon tayo sa doon sa hindi given. So yung hindi alam ng iba na mabait, tapos yun nga, hindi madamot, laging hinuhuli yung sarili niya. So ang gusto ko, inuuna ko yung sarili ko. So pag binibigay niya yung mga pagkain niya sa akin, masaya ako doon.
Close your eyes, I got you now.
Be, ito na, ikakasal na tayo. Sana, lagi tayong magmahalan. Sana, lagi mong tandaan tong araw na to na nangako tayo sa Diyos na magpapakasal tayo. At kahit anumang unos o kahit anumang away mapagdaanan natin, sana mapagtagumpayan natin. At lagi mong alalahanin na nagsumpaan tayo na magmamahalan tayo habang buhay. At be, sana kapag kinasal na tayo, sana wag mo na akong ubusan ng siomay. Lagi tayong share sa lahat ng bagay. Share na tayo sa kama, share tayo sa pagkain, share tayo sa lahat ng mga bagay. So, andito lang ako lagi para sa'yo, para sumuporta, and mahal na mahal kita. Love you!
Fall into me, and I catch you, darling. We'll dance in the street like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song on repeat in my head, playing over and over. I'm drunk on your voice, high on the moment. I fall for you twice. That's what you wanted. I give you my life from now till forever. I'm falling in love with you over and over again.
Ako yung magiging support system mo and ayun, let's grow together. Let's make this forever happen.
Now till forever, I'm falling in love.
Sana magustuhan mo ang munting regalo ko. Suotin mo ito at ating lakbayin ang mundo. Ay! Ah! Wow! Hey, Jordan 11.
Hello, wife! Nax, haha. Take this gift as a sign of my love. I hope you like it because you deserve the best. I love you, Tini. P.S. This is not for the shoes. Wow! Saan yung cash? Saan yung cash? Charot na. Wow!
Kasi di ba magaan yan? Para daw pag sinipa mo
Couple
siya.
shoes.
Ay, wow! Meron Wait, there's more. Here's to capture more memories. More travels to come. See you later. Bibi, poging-pogi. Ah, bebe, super ganda. Ang galing, hindi ko ito in-expect. Uy! Ay, eto yung ano ah. Ay, ito yung ano. Ay, hindi ko ito in-expect. Kailan niya ito in-order?
Falling in love with you over and over. Falling to me, and I'll catch you, darling. Let's dance in the streets like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song on repeat in my head, playing over and over. I'm drunk on your voice, high on the moment. I fall for you twice. That's what you wanted. I give you my life from now till forever. I'm falling in love with you over and over again. Fall into me, and I'll catch you, darling. Let's dance in the streets like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song on repeat in our heads.
Christy, from this day forward, promise to be a good provider, a good husband, and a good father to our future children. I'll be your support system, your best friend, and your #1 fan, slash passion. Hindi kita gugutumin as evidenced by my weight. Kahit na hindi ko pa natututunan ng magluto, i-order naman kita ng burrito sa Sourdough. Never happens.
Te, kahit ang likod mo'y kubang-kuba na, kahit ang ulo mo'y puro uban na, isasayaw ka hanggang sa pikit ng aking mga mata. Pero, papasalamat ako sa Diyos kasi pinakilala ka niya sa akin. Naalala ko pa noon na nagdasal ako sa Baclaran Church. Pinagdasal ko na bigyan niya ako ng isang lalaki na magmamahal sa akin, hindi ako iiwan, lagi akong papahalagahan, family-oriented, mabait, at pogi kahit konti lang. At after few months, nakilala nga kita. Tapos, nagkamabutihan tayo. Na-love at first sight ka sa akin. Ayan. Tapos, ayun, na-in-love na rin ako sa'yo. At doon ko na-realize na ikaw pala yung tao na pinagdasal ko. At ngayon, nandito na tayo. Pinapangako ko na mamahalin kita ng buong buo. At suportahan kita sa lahat ng bagay. Magkasama tayo sa hirap at ginhawa. At sana lang wag mo akong ubusan ng siomay. Magkasama na tayo sa lahat ng bagay. Sa pagkain, sa higaan. So, sana araw-araw tayong magmahalan. Mahal na mahal kita.